What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making air fryer lamb chops. These have so much flavor, they're tender, they're juicy. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna add in 1.5 tablespoons of fresh rosemary, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of ground oregano, and then some salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a good stir. And then I have some lamb chops here. These each weigh about 3.5 ounces each. I'm gonna spread my mixture onto those lamb chops to get some flavor. And make sure you do both sides. Then I'm gonna air fry those for 7 to 10 minutes on 400 degrees. You wanna make sure that those reach a minimum internal temperature of 145 degrees. Then you can make some chimichurri sauce. This is optional. I have 1/2 cup of fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 4 minced garlic cloves. I'm gonna give everything a nice good stir, and you can keep it like this, or you can throw that in a food processor or a blender if you want to get it smoother. So I'm just gonna pulse this a few times until I get the consistency that I want. And then I serve that right over those lamb chops. So delicious.